Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Japan's rewriting the rules of solar power in 2025 with game-changing innovations. From flexible perovskite cells to titanium super panels, they are aiming to match the power of 20 nuclear reactors. Let's dive into Japan's solar revolution and see what's next. Ready to shine bright? First up, perovskite solar cells, or PSCs, are stealing the spotlight. Invented by Japanese scientist Susumu Miyashika, these lightweight, bendable cells can hit 43% efficiency, way ahead of silicon's 29%. And Japan plans to generate 20 gigawatts by 2040. PSCs are perfect for Japan's crowded cities. Sekisui Chemical, backed by the government, is set to commercialize them by 2030, with Canon's new protective coating doubling their lifespan to 20-30 years, tackling humidity issues head-on. Japan's also showcasing PSCs at the Osaka Kansai Expo 2025, with a 2-kilometer wooden ring roof covered in these cells. They are even testing them on bus stops and car roofs, like with Toyota's prototypes, to boost energy in urban spaces. Next, Japan's unveiled titanium solar panels, claimed to be 1,000 times more powerful than traditional ones. University of Tokyo researchers combined titanium dioxide and selenium for a dramatic efficiency boost, hitting 4.49% in prototypes. The catch: titanium's expensive to produce, but Japan's using yttrium to cut costs, making it more accessible. These panels could revolutionize solar power, though they need to tackle yttrium contamination to compete with silicon. These titanium panels could impact more than solar. They might spark innovations in aerospace and medicine. With global cooperation, Japan aims to make clean energy more affordable, potentially reshaping the renewable market by 2030. Japan's also innovating with photovoltaic spheres called Speller by Kyocera. These tiny spheres capture light from all angles, no need for solar tracking, making them ideal for cities, windows, and even gadgets. Kyocera is working on large-scale production to lower costs, aiming to change how we think about solar energy. Japan's goal: boost renewables to 36 to 38% of energy by 2030, with PSCs and spheres leading the charge. Challenges remain: durability, costs, and recycling lead in PSCs are hurdles, but Japan's recycling efforts in Kitakyushu are tackling solar waste, ensuring a sustainable future as they aim for net zero by 2050. That's Japan's solar revolution in 2025. From PSCs to titanium panels and Speller spheres, they are powering the future. What's your take on these innovations? Comment below, like if you are ready for clean energy, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you tomorrow. Thank you.